Greenland? Greenland is found in the tundra region around the Arctic Circle near the North Pole. Yes, it is the largest island. It is in the polar region and it is part of North America continent. Clear, students? As Saudi Arabia was part of Asia continent, this Greenland is part of North America continent. We have gone through its location, climate, rainfall, natural vegetation, and resource and industries. There are large deposits of lead, zinc, uranium, copper, and gold. It also exports lead and zinc and frozen tin food and smoked fishes also. Today we are going to study about the people, their occupations, their dressing styles, because you all know our dressing style changes from place to place according to the climatic condition, and it is cold climate, completely frozen. So they have difference in their food habits and their clothing sense also. The people of Greenland are called as Inuits or Greenlanders. Clear? Students, you can underline this. People of Greenland are called as Inuits or Greenlanders. Inuits are hardy people that have short body and slanting eyes. It is giving explanation about the physical feature of these Inuits. They are strong. How? They are strong. Inuits are strong. See, Inuits means the tribal, local people of the Greenland are called as Inuits. As in Saudi Arabian people, we have studied that they are called as Bedouins. Yes? And the people of Rajasthan. The nomads of Rajasthan, they are called as Banjaras. Same way, the people of Greenland are called as Inuits. Clear, students? And in summer, they live in tents made up of animal skin. And in winter, they live in igloos. Yes, you know what are igloos? Igloos are made up of ice, glacier slabs. Okay? They build of slabs, ice slabs. As the land is covered with the snow most of the year, yes, you know, the Greenland is covered with the snow. The agriculture is not possible in Greenland because it is completely covered with the snow. So agriculture could not be done. In the coastal areas where it is little warm, people grow potatoes and vegetables. Here, the areas which is not snowy, not covered with the snow, there they are growing potatoes and vegetables. The main occupation of the people in Greenland is fishing and farming. Yes, because on four sides it is covered with the sea. So fishing and mining metals are found. Yes, which metals you all know? Lead, zinc, copper, uranium, gold. So mining work is done. Farming is not done. The Inuits hunt seals, foxes, and polar bears with their harpoons. Harpoons is the instrument which is used in catching the fishes from the sea. Clear, students? Harpoon is the animal which is tied with a rope to arrow. That is harpoon. And Inuits, they hunt seals, foxes, polar bears with this harpoon. They use all parts of animal which they hunt. And it's not that only skin of animal is used. No. Complete animal they are using. They eat the meat and use the animal skin to make boats and tents. They use animal fat as oil. So skin is used. Then they eat flesh of the meat animals and also the oil. What they use the animal fat as oil. As a fuel they are using it. Sheep and reindeer are raised for their milk, meat and wool. So they are completely dependent on these animals because they get wool from the sheep and reindeer and milk also from these animals only. Inuits wear clothes that protect them from cold because they want double, triple layer of clothes because it is completely covered with the snow. They wear leather shoes and double trousers. I already said that they wear double or layer clothes. Their fur coats have hoods attached to them, so that protects them from this beating cold. Clear, students? And they have to protect themselves. So they wear leather shoes and leather jackets also, leather and furry jackets. Now, transport and traveling. Inuits travel from place to place on sledge, pulled by reindeer or huskies. Yes, huskies are the sledge dogs that are used to pull the sledges, clear, and reindeer to move from place to place because it is completely snowing and they need these sledges to go. They also travel through boats called kayaks and that have sails made up of animal skins. Yes. And you know, students, kayaks are these boats which are used for hunting and traveling. Here, students, kayaks are a huge, large boats that are used for hunting the animals and traveling. With the development, today the Greenlanders also live in modern houses. They move about in snowmobiles and have motorboats. Now they are using modern technology. They have started using motorboats and modern houses. They have left their traditional life Inuit and they have turned to modernization. They have turned themselves. They have started living in modern houses and using motorboats for catching the fish and moving from one place to another. Recreation and play. Recreation play means in the free time what these people are doing. Yes, free time, enjoying time, what they do, what are their hobbies. Because only the idle life, only the same life, no one feels happy. The people of Greenland like to play games and wrestling and tug of war are the favorite games. Tug of war, you know, the two sides a rope is being folded in two groups and from the each side they are snatching. Thus, the person who snatch away everything is the winner. And wrestling, you know, yes. And they also do chess, tell stories and dancing too. They also feel happy in dancing as they like music. Clear, students? So this was about the Greenland, students. Greenland is an island.